May kulang pa. O, dito. O, dili. Naputol.
Hi guys, today I have it's a crayon. Thank you, Mama. Hi, Tita May. Hi, Mama Lola na ni Alice. Hi, pati na Alvin.
Let's
Color.
Oh, what color? What is this?
Apple.
This one.
Brown.
Ito.
And
This one.
angel.
Very good. Of apple. What color?
Red.
Red.
Like a toy car, my favorite car, and toy car is really fast.
Color. O, lagpas sa. Oh, what color of the apple?
Huh?
That is color red. Ay, red nga. But, sige, continue. Iba kulay. Sige, go. Red pala yan. Sige, go.
Because I'm eating apple because it's healthy fruit.
Very good. No, lagpas ha.
Yeah. And the plants
And the leaf.
and the leaf,
What color?
green.
This very good.
Green
Okay, this one.
is the ambulance. Ambulance is blue.
Go.
Wait, what the second? Your color. Oh, okay. I find the blue. Yes, that's right.
Oh.
It's blue. You say that. Doctor can drive ambulance for hospital,
Yes.
for sick.
Oh, color na po. Opo.